Today, I will teach you how to change default card on Apple Wallet. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to change default wallet in Apple, you can either drag your preferred card to the front of the stack of the wallet app on your iPhone, or you can use the settings menu on your Apple Watch, iMac, or Mac. And since we're using the iPhone, what we're going to do is we're going to load up the wallet application on our iPhone. Now, once you're on it, by default, this is what you should see. Now you should be able to see the cards that you have on your wallet. Now to make a card your default card, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up the card, but you need to understand that the card that is displayed at the bottom, the first card, that is by default your default card. Now to make another card your default card, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on that card and you're gonna move that card forward. And once you move it forward, it says my Mercury Debit Mastercard is now my default card. It will be automatically selected when I use Apple Pay. Now, there's also one thing to look out for. You cannot make your Apple Cash card a default card, because when I move this and I move it to the front, it says Apple Cash cannot be your default card. Please choose another card. Now, that's another thing to look out for. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.